The tools you need for embossing are an embossing pen, embossing powder, a small scoop, like a 1/4 teaspoon measuring spoon, a little paintbrush, and a heat tool. It's also helpful to have a dryer sheet to rub on the surface before you begin embossing, as this will help eliminate static cling. So the first step is to use your embossing pen to write whatever you would like to emboss. I'm going to be writing the word goals on this small notebook. After you write with the embossing pen, you apply the embossing powder. And I like to put a piece of paper down just so that I don't get the powder everywhere. Or if I do, that it's easier to clean up. So then you scoop some of the powder onto the words that you wrote, or whatever design you made. Whoops. Making sure to cover everywhere that you wrote. Then after that, we're going to tap off the excess powder onto the sheet of paper or directly into the jar if you can. Then after that, it's helpful to use this small brush to wipe off any excess powder that is still stuck to your paper. Okay, now I have my design and I'm going to use my heat tool, which is basically like a hair dryer, except it doesn't blow quite as much air. I'm going to heat it up. I'm going to turn it on and heat it up for about 30 seconds, and then after that I'm going to bring it closer to the powder to melt the powder together, and you'll see as the powder melts it'll become shiny. And there we go. We have our embossed journal. You saw that after I finished embossing the front, I turned the page and heated up the back of the paper a little bit, and this helps with preventing warping. So you can get embossing powder in all different kinds of colors. You can try this on different surfaces. This is just kind of like a cardboard surface. So if you try this, let us know what you think. Let us know how it goes for you and if you have any questions. And if you try this and post it on Instagram, make sure to tag us so we can see it.